I'm Gabriel. I'm responsible for leading the digital user acquisition strategy at Rappi, the fastest growing startup in Latin America. So to keep growing at the speed we need, that's around 30% month over month, we need to split our sources. We need to have a very balanced split between the providers. As more partners I have, more risks I'm taking on fraud. A real-time fraud prevention solution is a very important tool, not only for fraud prevention, but actually for growth strategy. As we were keep growing and launching new partners, it was getting harder and harder. We had a lot of manual work and waste of time. We wasted around 30% of our daily work or 2 days a week only measuring and analyzing a lot of reports that were post-analysis. So basically, we're looking for an end-to-end fraud prevention, not fraud measurement. So we needed a partner who could help us to filter traffic before coming to the MMP and helping with the post-analysis as well. So the TrafficGuard fraud prevention solution helped us to save time because it's real-time fraud prevention and help us to make faster decisions on the growth strategy we should take. The fraud report from TrafficGuard covers everything and make clear for us what exactly is going on and the reason why each traffic source is being blocked. And this changes all the time. Like there are many ways to be fraudulent into app promotion. And that's why we need a complete report detailing everything that's going on and being constantly updated. For us, the report is very important because it makes very clear why the traffic was invalidated. So what are the sources doing that is wrong and it's not compiling with what we expect on quality. I think the reports are important as well for the providers because there are very bad providers, but there are also a lot of reliable providers that are really committed in fighting fraud. And having a detailed report, understanding the sub-IDs and the reason why it's being blocked, help us then as well to improve the traffic and keep the ecosystem healthy. The return on ad spend has increased around 25%. By having a cleaner traffic, we were able to find the reliable sources and we could do a better budget allocation. Our earlier results with TrafficGuard was seeing the amount of clicks being reduced around 30 to 40%. Meanwhile, we're still growing at the speed we need. So TrafficGuard helped us to filter a lot the fraudulent traffic we were receiving. By partnering with TrafficGuard, Rappi has been able to improve their efforts into user acquisition strategy by qualifying the traffic and impacting in a positive way the entire ecosystem and the entire business. We see TrafficGuard as a very strategic partner to be a step ahead of anything that might come on the fraud environment. So we are very confident that we are fully covered on fraud prevention and that TrafficGuard is a key partner to keep us achieving our results in the near future.